All right. So what do you understand by government budget? Well, so government budget are what? Government budget is basically a thing that describes about all the financial statements, whatever expenditure, okay, the government is going to do in the coming fiscal year. Okay, the statement which tells us about the entire government ka receipts, that from where the government is going to get money, the revenue, and the expenditure that government is going to do during a particular year. That is known as what? Government ka budget. In simple language. Yes or no? So where the budget is read out, where? And who reads the budget? The finance minister. Yes or no? Yes. So budget, everything about budget we are going to study in this chapter. Aja. Just come to meaning of the budget, that bold one, make a bracket. The budget of the government is an annual financial statement that describes in detail what? Estimated receipts. कि इस साल कितनी receipts मुझे आएंगी, and proposed expenditure, इस साल में इतना expenditure करूँगा. It is what? It is estimated receipts and proposed expenditure and disbursement of the government under various heads for the financial or fiscal year. Government अलग अलग heads में कितना काम करने वाली है, कहाँ पे कितना खर्चा करने वाली है, कहाँ से उसको कितने पैसे आने वाले हैं पूरे एक साल के अंदर, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? गवर्नमेंट का बजट. From 1st April to 31st March, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? गवर्नमेंट का बजट. समझ में आ रही है बात? कोई डाउट है? पक्का? आगे आ जाओ. क्या लिखा हुआ है? अंडरलाइन. It is what? It is a description of the fiscal policies, taxation and public expenditure. Everything whatever we have studied in the previous chapter, everything in detail is laid down in the government budget. Is that clear? Of the government and the financial plan corresponding to these policies. Underline. While the budget gives estimates for the coming financial year, it also gives, underline, actual financial accounts for the previous year and the revised estimates of the current. पिछले साल तुमने क्या क्या किया उसका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, अगले साल आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो वो तो हम बना ही रहे हैं, और करंट ईयर में क्या क्या हुआ है वो हर चीज गवर्नमेंट बजट में शो करते हैं. आगे आ जाओ, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. As in other democratic countries, government budget is constitutional obligation of India. Under Article what?
112
of the Constitution, a statement of, underline guys, a statement of estimated, again what? Receipts and proposed expenditure of the has to be prepared for every financial and fiscal year and has to be placed before the parliament. पार्लियामेंट के सामने आपको उसको पुट करना पड़ता है. समझ में आ रही है बात? आगे आ जाओ. This annual financial statement is titled as budget of the
central government.
Any doubt? क्या लिखा हुआ है? The budget is presented in
Lok Sabha
on such day as the President of India may.
direct
Yes. Till the recent year, the budget was presented on the last working day of
February.
by convention. However, the presentation of budget has been advanced to 1st February क्योंकि बहुत लेट हो जाता था last of Feb implement करने में. आगे आ जाइए. This would enable the
Government to
pass the budget before the closure of the financial.
year.
Simultaneously, a copy of the budget is laid on the table of
Lok Sabha.
Rajya Sabha.
Sorry.
ठीक है. Besides giving estimate for the coming year, the presentation of the budget offers an opportunity to the कि भाई वापस देख लो आपने क्या इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज बनाई हैं, कहाँ एक्सपेंडिचर करना है, कहाँ नहीं करना, एक बार वापस गो थ्रू कर दो. The budget is discussed in both the houses of the parliament. Voting होती है, उस हिसाब से आगे काम होता है. Is that clear? तो आप सिंपल लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलोगे कि गवर्नमेंट बजट वो होता है जो गवर्नमेंट की एस्टिमेटेड रिसीट्स बताता है और प्रपोज्ड एक्सपेंडिचर बताता है. Is that clear? Need and importance of government budget is not there. Come to the type of government budget in India. The first one is what? Union budget. देखो, bracket point number 1. The budget in India is divided on the basis of different layers of the government, like central, state, and local bodies. Each layer of the government prepares, passes, and implements its own bracket. आगे आ जाइए. Bracket point number 2. यूनियन बजट एक ऐसा बजट है जो कौन प्रिपेयर करता है फॉर द कंट्री एज अ सारे देश के लिए वो बजट प्रिपेयर कितना एक्सपेंडिचर करेगा रोड्स पे एजुकेशन पे हेल्थ पे सो ऑन सो आगे आइए इन 2000 till 2000 budget was presented in how many parts railways budget and ठीक है ब्रैकेट पॉइंट नंबर 3 हाँ जी railways budget showed the detail of the estimated come on guys you should remember this by now estimated receipts and proposed
expenditure
and disbursement by the railway ministry और ये बजट सिर्फ और सिर्फ किससे रिलेटेड था सिर्फ रेलवेज कि कितना पैसा वो दे रही है कितना इनकम रिसीव करे एवरीथिंग वाज रिलेटेड टू रेलवेज ब्रैकेट The general budget shows the financial plan for the entire economy, describing in the estimated receipts and proposed of the economy as a whole. पूरे देश का बताता है. कोई doubt है? Underline. The totals of the receipts and expenditure of the government were incorporated in the budget statement of the government of India. However, the budget of 2018-19, right? अब बजट जो है वो नॉर्मल जनरल बजट से मर्ज अब रेलवे का कोई अलग से बजट नहीं होता यूनियन बजट में ही रेलवे का बजट भी होता है
तो जनरल बजट से यूनियन बजट
जनरल बजट इज यूनियन बजट कोई डाउट है पक्का यूनियन बजट किसका होता है इट इज ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट क्लियर आगे आ जाए क्या लिखा हुआ है state budget in India we have the federal system of government with union or the
central government
for the whole country and the state government for different part of the country this has to be the point number 1 कि हमारा एक फेडरल सिस्टम है जिसमें एक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है और हर एक स्टेट के लिए कोई ना कोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है हाँ या नहीं therefore bracket point number 2 every state government in India prepares its own budget. State budget is the budget prepared by the
state government,
such as the budget of the Delhi government, budget of government of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, whatever it is. अपना खुद का बजट बनाते हैं कौन? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टेट बजट. Bracket point number 3. The local bodies such as municipal corporation, municipal committees and municipal board also prepares their own. तो इन सबको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टेट बजट. कोई डाउट है? Performance budget is not there. Supplementary budget is not. Now, yes, बोलो.
सिर्फ दो बजट.
Now comes what? Components of the government budget. Extremely important now it starts. So we'll do this from the next. Clear?